Okay, so we're back. Okay, so for a permanent install on your vehicle's harness, go ahead and take your string and you lay it over. Give yourself enough space. Okay, so you're gonna come around and notice over the top, and the first one is gonna be a Clovis. So there, you're over the top there, feed it underneath the two wires. Okay, so the wire that the rope that went over and under, you're gonna feed it under this one. Okay, and then you pull back, and you should end up like this. If you're an electrician, you should recognize this, because this is the same method you would use to pull wire. Okay, so you bring these together, and what you have here is what's called the Clovis hitch. Okay, so let me go ahead and zoom into that. Let me bring the camera a little bit back, because I zoomed quite a bit. Okay, so now you have your Clovis right there. Notice how it is. And then you do your double surgeons knot. This is your permanent install. So again, you're gonna grab this, twist it around towards the right. 2 is fine, and you got your first surgeons, and then you go in the opposite direction, which is going to be your final surgeon's knot. Yes, this is what you would have with bypass surgery or anything delicate. That's hard to say because everything's delicate in the human body. So at least 2 turns. We'll just finish off with the third here. Okay, so and then we press, we pull, and then we take our side cutters. In this case, I'm using scissors because that's what I have available to me. Side cutters, some people traditional call them dikes, but we will call them side cutters, and in this case we will call them what they are, scissors. So just cut there, and there you are. That would be your permanent install. Over here is you have your loose install. And that's it. Thanks for watching how to do a temporary install on your harness and how to do the double surgeons knot for your vehicle, or any vehicle for that, as a matter of fact. It doesn't matter if it's military aircraft or your car or truck. This is how you would appropriately harness your vehicles or build your own harness. Bye-bye.